Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple AirTag in its 4-pack configuration. The AirTag has been out for a couple of years now and it provides a convenient way to track some of your essential items such as your wallet, keys, bags and other items. It works really well with the Find My network and it has the advanced precision finding feature which allows you to use the ultra wideband chip in your iPhone to precisely track down where your items are. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so this packet is pretty simple all around. You can see on the front it has AirTag and it says that I've got the 4-pack. It also comes in a single pack, but this one is the 4-pack here. You can see in the bottom right, I've got a little warning about there being a coin cell battery in this. There have been some cases of young children, I believe, trying to accidentally swallow this and it can be a choking hazard, so that's why they have that warning there. On the top, there's nothing other than the little thing to hold it on the shelves. On the sides, there's nothing. On the bottom, there's just a little bit of information about Apple there. And then on the back here, we've just got some additional information. You can see it's a 4-pack of AirTags, and we've got some other information here. And we've also got a pull tab. So we'll give this a bit of a pull here. Like so, there we go, it's open. And now we'll just open up the bottom tab here. Like so. And then we've got a nice little pull tab. Now you can see it says AirTag here. On the back, we've got a bit of documentation and regulatory information that comes out. So, there's just some basic information there. And then we have got also some safety and handling information. And here are the AirTags themselves. So we can open this up and you can see that within each one, we've got the 2 AirTags. So it says update to the latest iOS or iPadOS and turn on Bluetooth, and then they should automatically connect. So it's the same thing here. On the second one, it says pull tab when ready to use, hold near device and follow the on-screen instructions. So we'll just pull out one of these here and I'll give you a brief look. So here is the AirTag itself. You can see that if I pull this little pull tab off, it all comes off nicely like so. Now when I pull this out, it will start trying to pair. So I'm not going to fully pull it out. But you can see we've got a really glossy finish here on the AirTag. It says designed by Apple in California, designed in China. Got Bluetooth LE and it's got ultra wideband, and it obviously also says AirTag. And then it's got a nice little plastic construction around the front as well. Now it may scratch up decently easily, but it looks quite nice straight out of the box. But you can see it's already leaving lots of fingerprints, so that is one thing to be aware of with these devices. Now, when you pull this out, it should instantly pair with your iPhone. It should be a super seamless process. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a video on how to connect and use your AirTags with your Apple device. But you can also buy accessories for these. The Apple ones are quite expensive, but there's plenty of manufacturers that make them. And you can attach it to key rings and have keychains and things like that that are really helpful for these particular tags. So, that's it for the unboxing here, but let me know in the comments below if there's any other videos you would like to see with the Apple AirTags, because I'm more than happy to make those if you would like to see them. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.